Hello students, so let's try to solve one more problem, and this is from the IIT JAM 2024, and this problem is from special theory of relativity, which is very simple and straightforward question, but you have to do some basic calculation. So what is this? In this particular, it is given, and this is question number 18, that is MCQ. So it is given that the rest mass of electron, and that is given is 0.511 mega electron volt per c square, which is also a unit of mass actually. And we have to find the speed of electron whose kinetic energy is given, and the kinetic energy is given 5.11 mega electron volt, which is given. And now we have to easily calculate from the formula. So how we will approach it? So this is a very straightforward formula based question. So we have to just go for basically using the formula. So we all know that kinetic energy is given by total energy minus rest mass energy. So this is our kinetic energy, and rest mass is given, rest mass energy is given, that is 0.511, and kinetic energy is also given. So kinetic energy is 5.11, that is your mega electron volt. That is your total energy minus rest mass energy, and this value is 0.511 mega electron volt. So we can easily find the total energy, and this total energy E can be written as 5.11 plus 0.511, and this will be mega electron volt. What is this value? This value is 5.62 mega electron volt. And here we can write the total energy of a system. The total energy of a system is m0 c square upon root under 1 minus v square upon c square. And here m0 c square is again 5.511. So we can put it this value. So what we have? We have 1 minus v square upon c square. This value is equal to, we have m0 c square by total energy, and this is total energy is 5.62, and this value is equal to 0.511 upon 5.62. And from there, we can easily calculate the value of v. So 1 minus v square c square root under is equal to 0.511 upon 5.62, and when we will go for squaring, then we have v square upon c square is equal to 1 minus 0.511 upon 5.62 whole square. So v is equal to root under 1 minus 0.511 5.62 into c. This will be square there, and when we will calculate from the calculator, you will get this value is 0.996c. So this is a straightforward question just based on formula, but yes, you have to do this calculation in a very smart way, and you have to do the very accurate calculation, because in this particular problem you can see that the all answer is almost just near to each other. So you have to do the very accurate calculation. This is the only thing you have to take care. Otherwise, this problem is very simple and straightforward. Thank you.